Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crab pepper fry. Recently, I went to a fish market where I found this Dungeness crab. It is very big in size and this is also known as mud crab. It was very yummy and it is very easy to make. I'll also give you the exact ingredients list in the description box so that it would be easier to take a snapshot. Come on, let's get started. So I'm going to cut this crab into two pieces so that the masalas will get inside the crab well, as it is very big in size. I'm also going to break the claws because it's so hard, it would be difficult for us to bite it after we cook, and also the masalas should get inside the crab well. Here to a kadai I have added 2 teaspoons of oil, to which I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 kg of small onion which I have chopped, and 2 green chilies. Saute this for 5 minutes. And I have added 2 crushed garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And now to this I'm going to add 1 big tomato which I have sliced roughly. Mix it, cover it with a lid and cook it until the tomatoes are well mashed. Now I'm adding salt as required, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and now we'll add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. And now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of hot water. Mix everything well. Check for seasoning. If you want to add salt and chili powder at this stage, you can add it. And now it's time to add the Dungeness crab. Look at it, how huge it is. It was very yummy. You can also try this with normal crab. If you're going to add any small crabs or the normal regular ones that you get in the market, you can add 1/2 kg of it. Now I'm going to cook this for around 10 to 15 minutes. Let it be on high flame for the first 5 minutes and reduce the flame to medium, and then cook it for another 10 minutes. And now exactly after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. The crab turns orange when it is cooked. And before you turn off the flame, add a teaspoon of pepper powder. You can adjust this according to the spice level that you want. You can also add coriander leaves at this stage. Just give it a nice mix. It was so spicy and yummy. It has so many health benefits as well. Definitely give this a try. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.